Okay, so this little video is about answering a question that popped up on one of the social media channels this morning. And it is, what is the output of this code? And the code is down here starting on I'll put it on line number 12. And what is the output? And you've got these four different options for the outputs, which is false, true, my bool, and not string over here. They're the four different outputs. Now, if we just take a look at line number 12, we've declared this variable my underscore str to be an empty string. And then afterwards, we have a not of my string. And this generally is, if in Boolean terms, this generally evaluates to a false because it's a blank string, an empty string. So the opposite. So I'm just going to say that here, if I tab across, that this would evaluate to, it would be falsy, F-A-L-S-E-Y, it'd be falsy is kind of the phrase that's sort of like used for this. And the not of a falsy is then a truthy. So I'm expecting something like this. Now, on the next line, it's got my bool equals true or false. And I'm not even sure what this evaluates to. So really, this is a question mark over here. So, which we can look at independently. But finally, it's got a print of my bool double equals not underscore string. Now, this is definitely going to be either a true or a false because it's a logical equal sign. So that automatically eliminates this one over here. So let's just put it's not this one and it's not this one. So it's going to be either 1 or 2. That's one thing that we do know. Now let's just go over here and comment these two out and just look at the my bool. So print my underscore bool. And what is this, true or false? So is it going to be a true or false? I'm just having a little think about this. Is equal to true or false? I'm imagining that this is actually equal to true because true or false should evaluate to true, I guess. So if we hit F5 just to run this now, we'll see the code running at the bottom over here. Yes, this evaluates to true. So what we then have in that respect is that we uncomment these, that this my bool evaluates to true. So what we've actually got is a print true double equals, and then we said from before that this one here, the not my string, which is what we've got, is also truthy. So true equals true, and therefore we're going to print a true. Now we're going to print true twice because we're going to print it on line 16 and 17 if the assumption is correct. So we're going to say now that this one is not correct and this one here is actually the answer. Let's just run that to verify. Yes, and indeed we do get the two trues. One is from line number 16, which was the original question, and then our evaluation of that, which is line number 17. But we leave this in here because we know that my bool is true and not string evaluated to true. So that's basically it. A very obtuse question, should we say, but that's the answer for it. If you like this video, if it did give you some information and some insight into Python, then click the like and share button and all the rest of the good buttons. And thanks for watching.